Yo guys, it's Ola Banks and I'm right here again with another video. So in today's video, I'll be giving you guys 3 orientations basically on how to survive as a broke forex trader. First thing I have to tell you is you have to stay motivated. If you must make money in the forex market, it will first sabotage you, teach you some lessons the hard way, and make you think otherwise that will you even any day at any time see success at the end of this thing, or is there even any possibility in this thing? That's why you have to stay motivated, because there's 2 assignment of losses in trading basically. One is to test you if you are strong for the journey, and the other is to make you give up early. It's not left for you to decide which one you want to go for. Maybe you want to give up or pass the journey and stay strong that bro, keep bringing it, let it keep coming at me, I'm strong and I'm ready for this, and along the line over time you will definitely make it. So that's why I have to stay motivated and don't even think about quitting. Only try to keep looking for possible solution, and all those your lessons, the days you do not have food to eat, the days you do not have food to eat, the days you blow your account, the days you struggle to, the days you do not even have anything to trade, you have been trading demo for a very long time, or maybe you are just struggling and still yet you haven't made it in trading, in forex trading or crypto trading. Bro, just try your best to stay motivated and always be grateful and thankful for what you have. It's very, very important. I believe the universe rewards those who are grateful or thankful for what they have presently. So that being said, this leads us to the first way, or number 1, of how to survive as a broke or struggling forex trader. So the first thing is learn to live below your means. And what I mean by that is you should be very, very frugal with spending. What I'm saying is the money you are spending, make sure you try as much as possible to limit that money. You need to try as much as possible to manage whatever you have, especially if you're the type that does not beg or don't like begging, or find it so iffy or so uncomfortable to beg or borrow things. There are people like this, and there are also some people on the other hand which is a normal thing to them. They can borrow things from anybody, they can beg, they can do whatever. They are just free this, or they are just free people, you feel me? But our life is not the same. No, we can't always be the same. So the point is, you just want to make sure you manage whatever you have. You don't want to, if you are the type that spend extravagantly, try to manage your spending, try to limit your spending and make it frugal. So that's just by the way. The point is just learn to live below your means. So this leads us to number 2, which is stay close to people that you can leverage on their benevolence. Stay close to people you can leverage on their benevolence, like people that are kind to you, people that are ready to show you to give you things, or just like people like friends, people like family, like your family, relatives, friends, or anybody close to you that is good to you. Those people that are good to you, learn to stay close to them for the time being. Some people make that mistake of leaving home or running away from home so fast, all in the name of they have small, they are seeing small profit or seeing small money from somewhere, not knowing that once that money finish, it might be so hard, especially if you are the type that has ego, you have self-respect. It will be so hard for you to go back to where you were coming from. Imagine home that you left, you literally just thought about it one day, moved your luggages, packed your things and left home. Now that money you relied on, or that thing you relied on, now get to fail. Now you are now owing money for rent. You can't afford your rent, you can't afford your bills, you can't even eat anymore. How do you feel? How will you feel? now packing your loads, your luggages, and say you want to go back to your parents' house, or maybe you left your friend's house, maybe you were squatting with someone or anyone. How will you feel? Will you even find it like will it even make any logical sense for you to say you want to pack your things and go back there? It will be very, very difficult. That's why some people suffer in silence, because they make abrupt decision. They just made it, they just thought about it, just feel like I can stand on my own now. It's time for me to move. Oh no. You have pending the time until you have a clear plan, or you have a clear plan, or you have enough for you to leverage on. Pending that time, or bro, the point is you want to stay there. Just stay close to those people. Stay close to those people and be feeding off from them. I'm not saying you should be entitled. There's a difference between leveraging on opportunity and feeling entitled as if it's your own. Nobody owe you anything. Believe me, not even your parents, not even your family. Nobody owe you nothing, bro. So the point is, stay close to these people. For me, I actually did the hard way, because I've been a risk taker, aggressive risk taker, right from when I was little. Yeah, I had nothing. I swear, like, believe me, I had nothing, but I always believe in my plan, because I've been making so many plans and it has been coming to fruition, So I know myself. If you also know yourself, you can actually take that risk and know what suits you. If you are the type, analyze. It is you. Analyze to see how many things have you worked on that came in success for you. How many times have you failed and stuff like this. This is where all these things are what you should consider. I will give you that confidence, or give you the answer of okay, go, don't go. You feel me? But for me, in my own case, I've worked on so many plans that came to fruition, starting from zero. Like, I literally had money, I literally had nothing, but God gave me this, and I'm using it to its best function. So back to the point, you just want to stay close to these people and keep feeding off of them. So this leads us to the last one, which is number 3. It goes like this: try as much as possible to keep backtesting and building yourself. Regardless of the condition, regardless of the situation, you want to stay close to your chart. Keep backtesting your strategy. Keep building yourself psychologically, socially, spiritually. Do not stay far from God. Do not omit God. Do not leave God out of the picture. It is very important. I forgot to say this from the beginning, but believe me, God is very, very important. Whatever you are serving, you are an Islam, you are a Christian, or anything, provided you have something you trust in, keep serving that thing and keep calling the name. Feel me? It is very, very important. So you want to keep backtesting your strategy and keep building yourself, because you have to be prepared for the opportunity. That big day, believe me, that big day is coming, and you don't know when that day will come. Opportunity comes at any time, literally any time, and you don't want to get caught off guard when this opportunity comes. They say preparation meets opportunity. Believe me, God works in a mysterious way. Opportunity can come from anywhere. The point is, you want to stay prepared in terms of speaking, in terms of communicating what you are doing. Imagine a millionaire or a billionaire coming, just stumbling on you, checking your chart now, or maybe someone that saw you doing this thing, or know that you are doing something like this. Now they are now talking about, or maybe a trader somewhere, and that person say, oh, I know someone I can recommend, I know someone I can call, even though I don't. Just okay, and they are like, okay, call this person, call. Tell him to come, or tell him, or put that person on the phone for us. Now they put you on the phone with a millionaire or a billionaire. The opportunity, I'll call that your opportunity. Now they ask you something. They ask you to address a very simple thing in what you are doing in your niche. I'm talking about Forex trading. They ask you to address something. Maybe they are talking about just simple basic thing. Now you are just doing because you have forgotten, or maybe you are not even serious. you haven't studied that, or maybe you studied it before because you don't think there's light at the end of the tunnel. You feel like this thing is not worth it. So you have not been backtesting, you have not been studying. Now you are not forgetting things you've known before or things you have worked on. Now you are there just like, do you expect that person to give you to what do you expect that person to be motivated or to be impressed and want to give you money or want to give you anything? Or now they now call you to, okay, come and analyze the market for us, come and analyze something for us, or come and teach us one or two things. Now a cycle of billionaires or millionaires. Now you are in the middle and you are there, you can't do anything. It shows that you are not prepared for that meeting, and to me it means you are not really worth it. That's why at all time you have to stay prepared, regardless of the situation. It might not look like it, it might not be like it yet, like nothing is happening, but regardless of whatever you're thinking, regardless of the situation, you just have to keep going, you just have to keep working. Even when I had nothing to trade, even when there was no dream, I told you, I really, with my sickness, with my everything, with my condition, with everybody on the street seeing me as a broke Forex trader then, because I was casted. Everybody knows that this is what I'm doing. Basically, they just know that this boy is always staring at candles. Everybody was saying this, saying that, and same me, we still wake up every morning, pass through all those places while everybody is staring at me, looking at me, and I'll still go and do what I'm supposed to do, regardless of the discouragement, regardless of the sabotaging, regardless of the propaganda, regardless of everything, because I believe that my success is in this thing, because I believe that there's future in this thing, and opportunity might arise at any time. So I just want to keep my brain fresh and keep myself ready. I do it as if I have an exam. I do it as if someone is watching me. I do it as if, and nobody is even motivating me. I'm always the one motivating myself. And this is the result today. Even though I don't really have much, bro, believe me, if you know my story, with all these little things I've said, or maybe if you have watched this video, or maybe watched some of my video, okay, you can just scroll down to my YouTube channel. Scroll down below my YouTube channel. If you scroll down below there and see where I was coming from, you will know that this little thing, even though I don't have that $1 million yet, bro, see, this place I've gotten to is a very, very big achievement for me, without the help of anybody, only I, myself, and God. See, it's a long story, it's a lot to say, but the thing is, just make sure you do not give up. That's one important message you have to put in mind here. If this video resonates with you, or you find value in this video, I want you to smash that like button and subscribe. Click on the subscribe, it is very important. Down below this video in the description box there's link to my free Telegram community. I drop free truths, ideas for you guys there. You can join, it is a new community. You can join it for free, bro, and come and make money if you are a trader, or maybe you are just learning to trade, because I drop trade ideas, I drop signals, free signals, everything is for free. So you might just want to consider clicking the link below this video. You see Allah Banks community. I guess that should be all for now. Don't forget, you guys are not alone, and I'll catch you guys on another video. Peace.